Welcome to our guide on implementing Building Information Modeling or BIM in construction projects. In this module, we'll delve into the strategies and steps to successfully integrate BIM into your workflow. Success starts with clear objectives. Define your project goals and how BIM aligns with them. Ensure all stakeholders understand the expected outcomes. Next, assemble a competent team. Include BIM experts, project managers, architects, engineers, and contractors. A collaborative team ensures seamless integration of BIM. Invest in training and skill development. Equip your team with the necessary expertise to effectively use BIM software and workflows. Continuous learning is the key. Establish BIM standards and protocols. Define guidelines for modeling, data exchange, naming conventions, and collaborative processes. Consistency is vital. Choose the right BIM tools. Select software that aligns with your project needs and integrates smoothly with your team's workflows. Compatibility is essential. Start with pilot projects. Test BIM implementation on smaller scale projects to identify challenges, refine processes, and validate the chosen workflows. Integrate BIM into workflows. Implement BIM across design, construction, and facility management phases. Ensure seamless data exchange and collaboration. Monitor progress and establish a feedback loop. Regularly access the implementation, gather feedback, and adopt strategies to improve efficiency. Embrace continuous improvement. Encourage innovation, update protocols, and adopt new technologies to optimize BIM implementation continually. Implementing BIM in construction projects demands strategic planning, teamwork, training, and adaptability. By following these steps, you pave the way for a successful BIM integration.